Your EcuTech Tune is equipped with 3 maps along with a valet mode. This can be done whether the engine is running or not, as long as your ignition is in the on position. To enter your map menu, press and hold the cancel button on your steering wheel. After 1 second, the tachometer will jump to a number signifying what map you are currently in. Use the toggle switch on the steering wheel, select which map you would like to select. You will notice that your options are 1, 2, and 3. Once you have selected your desired map, wait for 2 to 3 seconds and the tachometer will return to idle speed. You can verify which map you are in by entering the map switching menu and wait until the tachometer drops back to idle speed. While you are selecting your map, you may notice there is an 8 option. This is your valet mode. You enter valet mode just like you would any other map. However, exiting valet mode is different. To exit valet mode, press and hold cancel to enter your map switching menu. Use to toggle to indicate map 8 on the tachometer. Then press and hold the cancel button. Valet mode can be engaged on any of the 3 custom maps. This feature does work for any vehicle. However, only 370Zs have a visual indicator using the oil temperature gauge. Begin by ensuring your cruise control is turned off. To enter your Burble menu, press the toggle switch on your steering wheel up. You will notice your oil temperature gauge at either 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. 140 degrees Fahrenheit indicates that your Burble is currently turned off. 180 degrees Fahrenheit indicates that your Burble is currently turned on. From there, you toggle it up or down to turn the Burble on and off. To enable launch control, engage the clutch and full press the accelerator pedal. The car will default to 4,000 RPMs. To change the desired RPM, use the toggle on the steering wheel to raise and lower the RPMs. Once your desired limit has been set, release the clutch pedal to launch the vehicle.